When it comes to E-track or A-track, there's two major styles. The first style would be vertical, that runs vertical up and down the wall. The other style would be horizontal, that runs lengthwise down the wall. The slots will be oriented the same way in either style. A couple of the main benefits or pros and cons of each one. The vertical are typically spaced out about every 4 foot down the side of the trailer, and you can get more flexibility vertically, up or down. So if you need to go higher or lower with a shoring beam, a strap, a cargo net, that sort of thing, the vertical gives more flexibility up and down. The horizontal will typically have multiple rows inside the trailer at different heights and allow more flexibility front to back in the trailer. But again, the same fittings fit in E-track, A-track, X-track, and the slots, these rectangular slots, will be oriented the same way in the vertical or horizontal. It's just which way the track runs in the trailer.